Hello guys, Blender Kido here. In this tutorial we're going to learn how to make the America flag, that's the United States flag, and animate it. So let's get right in here. Go general. You're going to get rid of all this A, then X. Let me screencast anything I press. And you go center. And you see anything I press here. So you go to top view, create a plane, scale it, and scale it to the x-axis. Yep. Then you go to edit mode, tap, or you do it manually here. Yep. Then you cut here. I'll cut this. We don't want it to be squarely in shape. So come down here, press A, select all, then subdivide, 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 subdivide. I think it's okay like that. Then go to object mode by pressing tab, then go to the physics panel with cloth, then you go down to collision, increase your quality, then set collision, activate that, and come up here, reduce it to 0.1. Then yes, in fact, think this should be rigid. This won't flow with the rest. So to make that happen, then you assign your text group, then come back here to your cloth, then you go down, then you want to pin it, then you go shape, pin, group. Then with this, if you go to weight painting, you see here it's red. That's here won't move. This certain part in red. So go back. So let's create a stick. Yep. So you rotate this to the x-axis by 90. Drag it up. Yep. So you create the cylinder, then scale it to the x and y axis by pressing shift X, then you scale it, grab to the z axis. Yep. Then scale to the x axis to make it long, and grab yep. Then grab, scale, move it to the x axis, think scale it again, move it again. Yep. So let's take it down a little bit. Yep. I think it's a little bit longer, but anyways, you create your sphere to make it a little golden texture. So you go X here and GX here. So let's see, it's accurate. It's a little bit accurate now. So why is on scale it to be small a little bit? Okay, it's okay. Then you go to shading, then go weight, increase the metallic, reduce the roughness a little bit, base color, find a golden texture, Okay, then shade smooth. Yeah, it's okay now. Then this should be metallic, I think. So reduce the roughness. Should be okay like this, but if you want to put any color you want, blue, green, I think it should be white if I put any color here. But should I make it also gold? Yep, it's okay. Then to make flag, yep, great. Then you import it right here. I'll import mine really quick. Go to image. Yep. Then you create. Okay. Then I think it's okay now. Yep. This is your flag. And we'll go right to baking now. Layout. And you go render view. You're gonna create sky. Yep. Then you will end. Go to create dynamic sky. Create it. If you don't know how to do this to create a dynamic sky, I have a video, so you're gonna click in the section below. You see, I'm gonna put the link right there so you can watch it if you don't know how to do it. So create, then you go to world, and you see that. Oh, I did it twice, so anyways, so things okay. See the sky right over there. Don't make it two. Sorry, I did it twice. Don't make that mistake. So make it blue. Things okay like this. So this is it. Gonna put the camera angle and create a camera. Image. Oh, what am I doing? Okay, camera. Then go to the camera. Lock the view. Then scale. Oh, where's my flag? Where's my flag? Flag, where are you? Oh, okay. Okay. This is it. Yep. Done. Yeah. You can. Okay. Let's animate it. I'm gonna create a force field. Force field wind. So we can make it G X O go G Z O rotate to the y axis, then G X. Okay, so okay, want the wind to come a little bit something, so okay, things okay like this. Can play around the yours, and you want the results. So it gives you an animated flag. So go to the strength. Where is the strength? Increase strength. Noise, make it 4. Strength, increase it to -1. Seed, make it 55. Strength, make it 3000. Yep. Oh, I think I'm not. When do it first? You go to sec, but gonna leave circles. Then you go to bake. You go to your select this. Go to your physics panel. Go to catch. Okay. Go reduce this because of time. Make it 50. Yep. Then you bake. Don't wait some few seconds or minutes. Yeah. Then play it. It seems this ain't working. That's the first field. Oh, what's wrong? Oh, oh, we're gonna make this so yeah, it should be the value if you want to work right, but you could change yours, quiz it or reduce it any you want. So I go back, you bake. Oh, this right now. Go back to catch. Delete the bake. Oh, bake it again. Okay, this is not working right. Yep, this is a flag. Let me increase this to make it more. Bake it again. Gonna wait for a little while. Yeah, this is it. I'll change this to 50. So okay, this is it. You can see to make this more good, then shade it smooth and don't make it thick, more thick. It's just paper to make it a cloth, to make it look clothing. Solidify, modify, increases to 2 or 3, anyway, in one. See, it's really good now. This American flag. Yeah. So this is the end of the video. Please, if you like the video, then give it a thumbs up down below. Make sure you subscribe to this channel. Have a nice day. God bless you. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe, please. It really helps me. Please.